Hi there, join me in this video when I'm at Pennington Flash near Wigan. I've been to Pennington Flash many times, but I do really enjoy coming here because the facilities are just so great. There's lots of hides dotted around the reserve, and already just walking out of the car on the lake here behind me, there's flocks of Canada geese, black-headed gulls, and I've seen some coots as well. On the way up in the car, we had some torrential rain, but that's all cleared, so hopefully I should be in for a great morning, and I know that I'm really going to enjoy my photography. It's really nice talking to people while I'm filming, because at one time I used to be really quite inhibited about filming in front of people. Now it doesn't bother me at all, but they seemed quite fascinated that I was vlogging and said they'd watch me on YouTube. But if you do see me out and about, do come and say hello, because I really do love meeting people. I began the morning by walking along the side of the main lake, just trying to isolate some of the Canada geese from the main gaggle, and I also got a little bit carried away by trying to take some of the black-headed gulls in flight. Then I noticed a pied wagtail just making its way along the shoreline, and so I tracked that for a little while until I got a really nice photograph. As I came into this hide, I heard a kingfisher almost straight away, and I couldn't get the camera on it quick enough before it took off and flew off along the lake. Now I saw where it landed and then I lost it. So it's still out there somewhere, and maybe during the morning I might see it again. Bird photography is all about patience, but I have sat in this hide now for about 20 minutes hoping that I might see the kingfisher again, but I've not seen it or heard it, so I think it's probably about time to move on. If this is your first time visiting the channel, then do consider clicking the like, subscribe and the bell notifications, because that way you'll stay up to date with all of my future content, and it'll help me get to my milestone of 10,000 subscribers. Also, don't forget that I've got a Teespring store available, so go and check out some of my merchandise. This hide was very different from the last time that I visited Pennington Flash. This area outside last time was flooded and people couldn't get to these tables to put the bird feed down. But the area today was free of water and there was lots of feed down. But it obviously was attracting lots of squirrels. I do still find them quite photogenic and quite cute, so I took some photographs of those. But there was lots of other bird life as well, such as nuthatch, and also the highlights were of some very tame magpies, a bullfinch and a coal tit. So I'll show you some of the photographs now. I spent some time in another hide overlooking a different pond, but unfortunately the birds were a long distance away on the other side of the lake. Now I did see a great wagtail on a post that was sticking out of the pond, and so I took some video of that. They're quite cute as they're bobbing their tail about, and I got a photograph as well. But there were also shovelers that appeared and came closer to the bank, so I filmed some of those and got some photographs, and eventually they were joined by a group of mallards as well. Well, I've never really had much luck from this hide before, but as soon as I've walked in today, there's a group of egret out on the water, and I think there are at least 2 different varieties as well. Now I've got some of them in flight, so hopefully those will turn out well, but it's just been really enjoyable watching them because I've never seen such a large group together at one time. I'm in yet another hide, and that is the beauty of this place. There are just so many different hides that give you different vistas, some looking out over the open water, and this particular one looks more in towards the centre of the reserve, so there are some ponds and it's more reedy and wetlandy. Now I have seen a little grebe, and a swan has just paid a visit as well, and I've seen some other birds, and in previous visits I have also seen deer and kingfisher from this hide, but I don't think I'm going to see those today. I had a great morning at Pennington Flash, so what I'll do now is I'll leave you with some of my favourite photographs from the morning.
So come to the water, where you will find me. Take a step into the river and get down on your knees.
Well, I do hope you've enjoyed spending the morning here with me at Pennington Flash. I do really appreciate everybody who takes the time to watch my videos. I do just want to mention Skylark Fields, who is a regular commenter and a big supporter of the channel, and also Patrick, who also comments very regularly and recently said that my videos make his Sunday morning, and that really makes it worthwhile getting out on these cold autumn mornings to film the next video. If you have enjoyed this video, do let me know down below in the comments, and up over to my Instagram or Vero account, that's @DoakdenPhotography. Leave me your comments there, and you can also see lots of my photographs. Now if you like what I do on the channel and want to help support me to make future content like this, then you can leave at the gift shop. That's at Teespring. There I've got a range of merchandise on offer, so head off over there because a purchase really does help me out and it's very much appreciated. But you don't have to spend any money at all to support the channel. You can do that simply by clicking the like, subscribe and the bell notifications. It really helps me out and make sure that you don't miss out on any future content. Watch out for next week's video, that goes live on Sunday. In the meantime, you can go and check out this video just up here. But all that's left now is to say, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.